Good morning, children. I hope all of you must be in pink of your health. Children, now we are going to study chapter 1 History of Computer. Children, computer that we use today was not invented in a day. That have passed through many development stages. They have traveled a long way from primitive to ultra modern. Now we are going to study how the appearance, nature and capabilities of computing devices have changed. Now the first device we are going to study is abacus. Abacus is the most ancient calculating device. It is still being used for counting and calculations. As you see, abacus consists of a wooden frame, rods and beads. Each rod contains movable beads in it. Counting and calculations are done by sliding the beads left and right in the rod. Abacus was popularly used in Greek, China, Japan and Russia. Now the next is Napier bones. Children, John Napier invented Napier bones in 1614. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician and scientist. He invented numbered rods, using which long multiplications could be done. These rods were made of bones, so they were called as Napier bones. Beside multiplication, it allowed the operator to divide, calculate square and cube by moving the rods around and placing them in specially constructed boards. Now we will study about Pascal adding machine or Pascal line. It was invented by Blaise Pascal, a famous French mathematician, in 1642. It is too expensive. Children, you will be amazed to know that at the age of 18 years, he built this adding machine. And he built this adding machine for his father. This machine was named as Pascal's adding machine. It was made of gears and wheels. Wheels had numbers written on them. While doing calculations, gears moved and the result was displayed through wheels. All throughout next decades, Pascal kept improving the design of his machine and built 50 machines in total. Leibniz's calculating machine or stepped reckoner. It was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. In 1671, he designed a calculating machine called the step reckoner. It made use of a very unique gear called stepped drum gear. Step reckoner was an improvement upon Pascal's adding machine. It did multiplication by repeated addition and shifting. Leibniz's calculating machine could add, subtract, multiply and divide numbers. Now the next topic we are going to study is Jacquard's loom. Children, Jacquard's loom is a mechanical loom. It was invented by Jacquard in 1881. He was a son of a weaver in France. His father had looms using which clothes were weaved that had some design. Seeing the pattern and design on the clothes, Joseph thought of automating the designs. He created punched cards. These punch cards made the loom move in certain way and create the pattern in the cloth. By replacing a punch card by another card, the design could be changed. The idea of punch card was a great hit. Soon it became very popular and brought revolution in the weaving industry. Joseph Marie Jacquard had nothing to do with computers, but his idea of punch card was adopted in designing the computers that came into existence later. Charles Babbage was an English mathematician. He was the person who shifted the focus from mechanical calculating machines to totally different types of machine that worked with steam. Since his machine was steam driven, hence they were called engines. He prepared the design for two different engines called difference engine and analytical engine. So now we are going to study about these two engines one by one. Difference engine. In 1820, Charles made a design of a giant computer that was as big as a room. It was designed to work with steam and automatically do very large and complicated mathematical calculations. Now we will study about analytical engine. While Charles was having tough time with difference engine, he kept on designing another machine. He called this machine analytical engine. Charles used some of the very advanced concepts like input, output, memory, processor, etc. in his design of steam-driven calculating machine. These concepts served as the foundation stone for all the computers that came thereafter. This was the first machine that was designed to compare two given number and based on the result decide further course of action. The concept of input, output, memory, processor, etc. is still being used in modern computers that are electric based computers. Fundamental concepts of Charles Babbage are the founding stones of our modern day computers. This is the reason why Charles Babbage is called the father of computers.